Hello students, today's topic for class 11th computer science and for informatics practices is almost same for both the classes. There is little bit differences in the terms in which we will see what is the different kind of softwares and what are the different types of software available in the market. So for understanding that topic, you need to first understand what software is. So as you can see, this topic in class 11 computer science is given as types of software, and types of software are application software, system software and utility software. And in class 11th informatics practices, the topic is given as software, purpose and types. What is the purpose of software and what are the types of software? There are system and application software, and one more type is given there, generic and specific purpose software. So in today's video we will see what is a software, what is the purpose of a software, and what are the different types of softwares available in the market. So I am going to start the topic. First of all, we should know what is a software. Then we will see what are the different kinds of software. So if you see the definition of a software of a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem is called a software. Software is a single collection of programs that performs a particular task, or software is also called a program. Different softwares are used to solve different problems. So this is a general definition for a software, that a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem is called software. So if you think what a software is in real life, so if you see these statements, you may think that it is a such definition which you should wrote down or you should cram without you must be feeling to learn it, you must be feeling it complex while learning this definition. So but if you understand what software is in real life, then only you can remember this statement. You need not to cram the definition of the software. So for understanding that, I will explain what software is in real life. Software is a code. You must be here about the programming code or program or coding. You must be here some words related coding in your daily day-to-day life. So code, what the meaning of code is there? Code means there is some statements written in a computer in some such way that you cannot understand. You may not be understanding those code at the first time, or you can say you may not be understanding the statements or coding till you know some programming language. So what coding is? Coding is in general definition, coding means there are some statements written in some specific language or in some specific syntax. So for that statements or that coding makes a software. So software is just a statements collection. You can say it is a set of collection of statements or instructions somewhere written there with some name given, and those instructions may be working some specific task. So why we write some code? We write some code for doing some task, to perform some specific task. So that's why the statement of software, the definition of software is just like a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem, that is known as software. Means we are saying those set of instructions as a software. And you can say software is a single or collection of program. Means a software may be a one program, or maybe in a software there may be multiple programs built in it. So that's why the statement is giving here software is a single. That's why software is called a program also. Different softwares are used to solve different problems. Means different kind of problems cannot be solved by a single program or single software. There may be different kind of problems, and for different kind of problems we may require some different kind of softwares also. That's why different softwares are used to solve different problems. So coming to the next slide, we are here with types of software. So I have just given one statement in the previous slide that for different problems we may require different softwares. So depending on differences, you can say types of software. So there are mainly two types of software on the basis of their functionality. Means what kind of work is the software doing, depending on that the types of software is given. Number one is system software and another one is application software. So if you see the word system software means such softwares or that kind of software which is used only by the system means the computer itself. We do not interfere in between the working of such software. We cannot make our interventions, or we cannot do something the working in between that kind of software. So system software are only just such softwares which are only used by a system. And next one is application software. Application software means such software in which we can create some specific application, or we can work on some specific application. So if I give some example, if I talk about the example of such kind of software, then for system software you must have listen about the word operating system. So what is the meaning of operating system here? If I ask what operating system is, so operating system, you can say what a operating system is. Operating system, I will give one example here. If I think you must have listened about Microsoft Windows, or you must have listened about Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Windows Vista. These were some examples of operating system. So Windows having the different kind of versions, for example 7, 8.1, 10. So these are some operating systems, and these operating systems are made by the company Microsoft. So Windows means operating system is such type of software which a system can use. We are just operating on our system with the help of that operating system, or you can say with the help of Windows we are able to work in our computer, or we are able to work in our hardware, you can say. So next I will be discussing about what an application software is. Here application software includes program that do real work for user. Means These are such kind of software in which a user can make his her work, or a user can make any specific application or any documentation, you can say, of his own. Application software is created to perform specific tasks for a user. Means these kind of softwares are specially designed to do some specific task for the user. It is also known as application package. Application software is used to perform various applications on the computer. There may be different kinds of application softwares available in the world, that you can use them for different kind of work for your computer. So I will be giving some examples for this application software here. Some examples are Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word we can make letters, we can type paragraph, means we can do documentation in MS Word, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel. Excel is used for making some data in tabular way, tabular structure. Lotus 123 is also an example of application software. And the last that I have given here, Photoshop. We can do editing on the pictures in Photoshop. So these were the some examples of software, some examples of application software in which we are doing some specific application. Now the next term is custom software. What is the meaning of custom software? Custom means, it is also known as bespoke software or tailor-made softwares. Means according to the tailor is preparing, you can take the example that tailor is making a dress according to the size provided with the dress. So in the same way, custom softwares are such softwares which are made according to the customer's requirement. So if you see the definition, custom software is software that is specially developed for some specific organization or other user. It is specially made for some specific user or organization. Next is packaged software. Packaged software is a software that is ready-made and available for sale, lease or license to the general public. Such kind of softwares are prepared for the for thinking about the general public that may be using those softwares. So packaged softwares are prepared by taking into mind about the usage of public persons, and custom softwares are made according to the thinking of some specific user's choice. So these were two types of softwares also. One is custom and another one was packaged software. So in this slide I am explaining again system software. System software is set of programs to control and manage the operations of a computer hardware. Means such kind of softwares are prepared only for the control and management of the hardware operations. It enables application programs to execute properly. Means after having the system software in our system, then only we can apply or we can use some other custom or application software. The first requirement that our computer should be having is, we should be having a system software, at least one operating system in our computer. Then only we can go for another application softwares, for example MS Word or MS Office, etc. But if you do not have Windows in your system, then you cannot use any kind of application software in your computer. So you should have at least one system software that is known as operating system, that may be of any company manufacturer. So System software, if you see, it consists of basic operations as follows. In a system software, what functions are available? First is saving data on disk. We can save the data, we can save the file on the disk due to the availability of this system software. Making computer to work for us. Our computer is doing the work only just because of the system software present in the computer. And next is printing a document. This is another example that we can do after applying the system software in our computer. Some examples of system softwares are operating system, and operating systems are Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and one is Macintosh, that is a product of Apple company, and one more operating system is available, Linux. There are much more operating systems available in the world. For example, BOS is Indian operating system for Android, Bharat operating system. And there are further I have used here utility programs and device drivers. These two types are also a subtype of a system software, means system softwares may be of these types. One is operating system, another is utility program, and third one is device drivers. Device drivers means you can understand this like if you purchase a printer for the work for connecting it with your computer, then you need to install some setup of that printer, means you need to install some files so that your system may work with may communicate with with that printer that you have purchased. So the setup that you are using to communicate with the printer is known as the device driver, means you are installing the printer drivers. So there may be different kind of drivers available in the world according to the printer models. So it means if you are having two different printers, then two different printers will be having the two different drivers that may be of same company and that may be of different company also. Now the definition of operating system. An operating system is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. The operating system is a vital component of the system software in a computer system. Application programs usually require an operating system to function. Means operating system is the must that should be in your computer, only then your hardware is able to communicate with you, and you can further use any application software only if you are having a operating system in your computer. Next is utility program. Utility program is a system software that allows a user to analyze, configure and maintain the computer. It performs a specific task related to the management of computers. So utility program is just like a software which is maintaining or analyzing the management, or you can say it is managing the tasks of your computer. Next is device driver. I have already talked about it, but again, a device driver is a computer program that operates or controls a particular type of device that is attached to a computer, like printers. So this was all in today's topic. Depending on this topic that you have done in today's video, I will be sharing one quiz on the next day. So you all should attempt the quiz. Till then, thank you.